Hello and welcome back to TUBICON. In this video, we're going to be showing you a really amazing feature called Team. So what Team basically is if you have various people from in different locations, for example, in different countries, you can create a team and those different people from those various locations can all live stream into one central point. So I'm just going to show you how to create a team and essentially what team is. So the first thing that you'll notice is over here in this area, I'll have my pending requests. So that would mean somebody's created a team of their own and they've asked me to be in their team and to provide a various operation. So over here, I would have my different requests. So David Mills has asked me to be in the news team. Joe Black has asked me to be in the podcast team. And we've got John Smith from eLearning. So I would just need to agree over here. And I would be in that team. And as you can see, that would pop up here in the news team. Now, I've obviously created a few teams of my own in the press and sport. So I'm just going to show you a little bit how to actually create a team and edit that team. So I'm going to click on Edit. So how you would create a team is you would click this Create New Team over here, and you could choose a name, a description, and a color. So as I said, I've already created a few teams, so I'm not going to create a new one right now. I'm just going to go into a pre-existing team and edit that. So I'm going to go into my press team, and I can favorite that team if I would like to. And you would see a star appear. And I could favorite another one of the teams, and I'm going to edit that team. So what I've done is I've added a few members already. So I've typed in their email address over here, and if you hover over it, it'll say if it's been invited, and if that invite has been accepted. So it'll say active when it's been accepted. And obviously in this person's dashboard, they would have a pending request to be in that team. So they would need to accept it on their side. And keep in mind that each individual that you do invite, they have to have pre-registered an account with TUBICON. We are going to create a feature where you can immediately invite that person from the dashboard. However, that feature is not currently available. So as I mentioned, you'd need to invite each person to a team, and then as the manager of the team or the creator of the team, you could decide whether they're an active role or inactive role and what operation or what they actually do in your team. So they could be an operator, they could be a member, or they could actually manage your team. So you as the manager are able to create exactly what you would like within your team. So the next question you probably have is, now that I've created my team, what can I actually do with it? So what you can actually do is you can, probably one of the easiest ways, to click on your icon in the top right-hand corner, and then you're in your current profile. So what you would do is you would click over here, and then you would choose which team you're on. So in this case, we're going to be using the BBC press team. So you would click on that team, and you would say switch to press conference, which is yes, and then you'd immediately see that this icon would go red and your different team would actually glow. So now if you went into your live environment and you turned your live environment on over here, which I'm not going to do in this case, your different members of your team would appear in each of these areas here, and they could simultaneously stream from different locations throughout the world even. So that's essentially how you create a team. So I'm just going to pop back to the dashboard over here. If you're not 100% sure how we even got to this place, please, I urge you to go and have a look at all the tutorials that we have created in this area here, as well as on YouTube. And we at TUBICON are constantly trying to improve our application to meet your requirements. So if you have any ideas, if you want to get in contact with us, please don't hesitate to contact us on the information below. Thank you very much for listening to this this video, and as I said, anything that we can help you with at TUBICON, we'll be more than happy to. Goodbye.